Did you know that over 60% of Americans have heard of Bitcoin, yet only a fraction truly understands cryptocurrencies? In today's video, we unravel the mysteries of the crypto world, diving into Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, and the pressing need for regulation in this fast-evolving market. Cryptocurrencies are more than just digital money, they represent a revolutionary approach to finance. From decentralized networks to blockchain technology, understanding the basics will empower you to navigate this complex landscape. Bitcoin, created in 2009, is often dubbed digital gold. But why is it gaining so much attention? Let's explore its rise from obscurity to becoming a multi-trillion-dollar asset class. Discover the factors driving its popularity and what the future might hold for Bitcoin. Now, here's a surprising fact. Did you know that Bitcoin was initially viewed as a threat by many financial institutions? This perspective has drastically shifted as more companies adopt Bitcoin as a legitimate form of payment. What does this mean for the future? Let's move to Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum is not just about currency, it's a platform for decentralized applications. We'll break down its unique features and why it's considered a game changer in the crypto space. Ethereum's ability to facilitate smart contracts has led to the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi. But what does this mean for traditional banking? We'll discuss how DeFi is disrupting established financial systems and what you need to know. At this point, if you're finding this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps us bring you more amazing content about the world of cryptocurrency. Now let's talk about altcoins. With thousands available, how do you choose the right ones? We'll explore the top altcoins of 2023 and the unique features that set them apart from Bitcoin and Ethereum. Here's a question for you: are altcoins the future of cryptocurrency, or just a passing trend? We'll dive into the most promising projects and their potential to reshape the market landscape. As the crypto market continues to evolve, regulation is becoming increasingly critical. What does this mean for investors and the average crypto user? We'll analyze the current state of cryptocurrency regulation and its potential impact on the market. It's important to note that regulatory perspectives vary widely around the globe. Some countries embrace cryptocurrencies, while others enforce strict regulations. How will this affect international crypto trade? Let's find out. As we wrap up today's deep dive into cryptocurrency, remember to take these insights into consideration as you navigate your own investment journey. The future is bright, but caution is key. Stay tuned for our next video where we explore the top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch in the coming year. In conclusion, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the world of altcoins can demystify the volatile cryptocurrency market. Keep learning and stay informed, it's your best investment strategy.